right, guys, buckle up. This is going to be a great profile pop-up to show you how to pop your profile. I am not joking this time. Trust me on this. This is a great one. I've looked it through, and this is going to be a perfect example. So, this is Jared with Profiles That Pop, getting you first impressions in seconds. I give a few tips in a profile pop-up to help as many people as possible. Now, this one is for Ishfaq, and I absolutely love that picture. Your eyes, the whole thing, everything is compelling. It draws people in. It's zoomed in perfectly. I could not ask for a better picture. Now, you've got something going on here in your background. I'm not sure exactly what you're trying to convey, but it looks like charts and graphs, that sort of thing showing on a computer. But hey, it's something, and you could even add words on there. Put a little bit in here about logistics, delivery, key account management, that kind of thing. So, but that's... Once people get to your profile, you worry about that billboard, okay? Right now, you got to focus on having them get there. And my first biggest thing is, you've got competition, Ishfaq. Look at here, you've got 4 people minimum with the exact same name. Now, luckily, 2 of them don't even have their settings right or don't even have a picture showing. And the other one, though, does, and he's an FCP officer. Not sure exactly what that is, but you've got competition, essentially, right? Now, you've got more competition we'll talk about later. But when I go back into your profile, if it'll let me here, there we go. One of the things I immediately have trouble with and would advise that you try a couple different ways. The way you've got your headline right now, it's logistics and delivery what? It's admin assistant. So logistics and delivery is like a topic. Management is like a skill. Admin assistant is a role. Key accounts, what about them? You know, you're not telling us, are you great in those things? You're looking to help with those things. You want a job with those things. So try to be congruent and as best you can. And I know it's hard. You only have 120 characters. But what is your tagline, as I like to call it? And then what is your talent? Those are the 2 biggest things. And if you can, fit in there, what are your targets? Who do you help? But that's really tough to fit in that little bit of a space that you get with 120 characters. So logistics and delivery management, is that what you're trying to say? That you are a logistics and delivery manager? If you get the actual title in here, the benefit is SEO usually can pick that up. Sometimes it actually works against you. There's no guarantees with LinkedIn SEO, but there is a huge component for SEO in the headline. So first and foremost, get your role in there, your ideal role, and then also, though, maybe even before that, get a tagline. Get something in here that's compelling that tells us why we should click on your profile. Because, for example, here, you're only getting 2 to 3 words. Is it enough to have someone tap it on here and want to scroll and read more? Then, your about section. Believe me, I can do it. I don't want to believe you. As much as I may like you, as much as I may know you, I don't trust that I can believe in what you can do. Young in years, highly self-motivated. What we see right here, Ishfaq, is not enough to make me want to click on see more. I also am not a fan on attaching resumes because if it doesn't have, the CV and resume doesn't have what they're looking for that exact job, it will rule you out. I want you to have as many opportunities as possible. So I don't want to know that you're young in years. I love that you're motivated and ambitious, but I want to know what you've been doing so far. I want to know this solid background that you mentioned here in this middle paragraph of sales and logistics. What have been the results? You're fluent in languages. You've got a lot of key skills. This is great. That's all great stuff. But give me a better feel for what results, what you can offer me if I were the one hiring you or if I were the one wanting to work with you. Okay? So that's enough on that. Now, the other big thing is in your jobs that you have, responsibilities. No, you need to pop. I'm going to show you in one tap how you do it. And you're already doing it, my friend. Right there. Key achievements. I'm going to show you another time, guys. Ready? Wait for it. Key achievements. I'm going to show you another time, guys. Ready? Wait for it. Key achievements. Don't bury your achievements. You need to pop those to the top. If you don't, you are missing out. You are hoping someone will scroll, click on you, find you first in a search. Then you're going to be compelling enough with your headline, your picture, and your name. Then they're going to click on it. Then they're going to scroll down, and then they're going to tap on this? I don't think so. You've got seconds to make that happen. You had better change this. Get these achievements up top, and then you will have people, you could explain all the responsibilities and all that. The responsibilities and all the keywords can help get you found. The results will get you traction and get people interested in what you have to offer. You've got to do that. Now, my other big thing I love to say Oh, and I got to say this too, I noticed. Skills. Come on, I know you've got more skills. You've been working for a while now. You've got much better skills for what you're talking about in your headline, in your about section, and your experience. Much, much better skills than the top 3 I'm seeing here. You've got 45 more, a total of 48, and right off the bat I'm seeing key account development. Part of that word was up there in your headline. Customer relationship management, strategy, sales, supply chain. All of these are much, much better than the 3 you're showing. You got to change the order on those and flip them around and make sure you highlight your best. Also, get rid of the competition. If you are, like you show, hashtag O&O, and by the way, there's a new feature coming which either you don't know or don't have. It's called Open to Job Opportunities. Hit me up in the comments below and we can talk about it. But there are so many good things you could be doing with this profile here, Ishfaq. Let me know below in the comments what you liked about it and what you see about it. And Ishfaq, I tell you what, you make these changes, I will do another profile pop-up immediately as soon as I see them in here, and we will show people the before and the after. What do you say? Let me know in the comments below, guys. I went over 6 minutes. Did you listen? Did you follow? And did you apply? Let me know. Thanks.